Within the electronic industry, every electrical component which is manufactured needs to have its own datasheet which follows it. And that datasheet contains all the various specifications of the device. In order to translate that into these unique and complex requirements, you have to perform a large amount of calculations manually. So we wanted to simplify the entire process of calculating these datasheets into application requirements. And we wanted everything to be super simple to use, fast and also accurate. And with all these requirements, they also had to integrate very nicely into the existing Nexperia digital ecosystem. So we started out with a prototype, and with this prototype we then worked closely together with our long-term partner TRIMM in order to actually develop and release this as a solution.
Stijn had an idea. He wanted to make the life of an engineer better. He needed a development team. And since we as TRIMM are already working with the Nexperia team for a long time, Stijn found his way to us. So what the interactive version is providing is that the user can play around with a slider where actually we do all the calculations for that engineer. So we have two different types of sliders. We have the formula sliders, which are a single slider input. The multi-slider sections is what we use for the multidimensional interpretations. So you actually have several sliders, and each action that the user does will result in a calculation. So the main challenge of this project was the deadline and the list of requirements that Stijn provided us. And that was really cool that we were able to achieve pretty much all the requirements and the deadline that he had in mind.
So we work within a very complex industry, and from a personal perspective, TRIMM offers something which is very important to me, and that is simplicity. And the simplicity allows us then to rely on each other, and within certain areas of the project where things have been complex and difficult, TRIMM has offered a level of support which I didn't anticipate.
We really liked working with Stijn and his team. They were always available, and the other way around as well. Looking also at what we've produced, it's quite a unique feature. No other semiconductor company in the world has something that's even closely similar to this.
So we've seen a good amount of response and excitement about the interactive datasheets, and we're very happy to see that there seems to be an adoption where people are using it next to our already existing datasheets.
Looking at how the tool performs also speed-wise worldwide, in my opinion it performs really nice.
We're actively listening to the community, and we intend to implement features as they arise and improve the interactive datasheets going forward.